Okay, here are some tips for creating a beautiful Japanese style tiny home on wheels layout and cabinet. The first thing is about the layout, and the first point is about the minimalism. We can emphasize simplicity and minimalism, characteristic of Japanese design. And then about the natural light, we can maximize natural light by using sheer curtains or sliding doors. Then about the open space, we can create an open floor plan to enhance the sense of the space. And about the tatami room, we can incorporate a traditional tatami room or a designated area for meditation or relaxation. And for the sliding doors, we can use sliding doors, fusuma or shoji to save space and add a touch of Japanese elegance. Then for the cabinet, we can consider about the natural materials. We can choose natural materials like a wood, for example, cedar or cypress for cabinets and furniture. Then for the simple design consideration, we have to consider about the simple design. Opt for simple, clean line cabinet design that reflect Japanese minimalism. And about the low profile aspect, we can use low profile cabinets or storage unit to maintain a sense of openness. Then for the fourth point is about the sliding panels. We can incorporate sliding panels or doors to conceal storage area. Then for the traditional motifs, we can incorporate traditional Japanese motifs such as cherry blossom or kanji character into cabinet design or hardware. And here are the additional tips. The first thing is natural color palette. We can use a natural color palette with action of natural materials. Then for the second point is about the textile. We can incorporate traditional Japanese textile like tatami mats or futon cover. And then about the nature inspired elements, we can bring in natural inspired elements such as plants or water for feature. And then about the attention to the detail, we can pay attention to the detail like journey and craftsmanship to create a sense of authenticity. By incorporating these elements, you can create a beautiful Japanese style tiny home on wheels that reflect the country's unique aesthetic and cultural heritage.